ヒューストン上空でエンジン火災。
West to the field, and they're steady at 3,000. And once again, I think they're running a checklist and maybe burning off some fuel. If you didn't get the correct information on the fuel remaining in pounds, it was 24,000 pounds of fuel.
Southwest 07, there was indications of a dangerous fire, but there's no indication.
307, now Roger. 307, you clear for the ILS only 4 approach. 307, you still have one engine shutdown, is that correct?
We have the right engine shutdown, so it's the same. 19.7, Southwest 307, we're expecting a slip line.
Southwest 307 on the tower, wind 330 at 6, runway 4, cleared lane. Company reported gaining 5 knots, 1,500 feet.
That's a good idea. Pivot after Southwest 307.